Sabi niya, Senator, I have good news for you. Kung tapos ko tinignan lahat ng test mo, eh, yung katawan mo at health mo parang 25 years old. Kahit na 45 years old ka na, 25 years old. Sabi ko, Doc, bakit hindi 18? Bakit hindi naman pwedeng 18? And sabi ko, Doc, so paano ba, what do you attribute this good health? Well, sabi niya, ito ko yung routine mo, you exercise properly, you exercise regularly, you eat properly, and wala kang bisyo. You don't smoke, you don't have anything that will affect your health. Naisip-isip ko.